Here are the reasons you should read the book that I recommend in this video. This is a mandatory book that must be studied because the knowledge will be very useful in 2023 and is the most popular book for investors and business people. Are you curious about the book? Okay, the answer in this video. So, watch the following video. Welcome to our channel, where I share valuable insights and recommendations on personal finance and investing. In this video, I will be sharing our top financial book recommendations that can help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. I'll cover a wide range of topics, including personal finance, investing, wealth creation, and financial independence. I'll share our personal favorites as well as some of the most highly recommended books by experts in the field. Our recommendations are based on years of experience in the financial industry and extensive research on the best book available. I'll provide you with a brief summary of each book's key takeaways and why we believe it's essential reading for anyone looking to improve their financial knowledge and skills. Whether you are just starting your financial journey or looking to take it to the next level, this video is for you. Our recommendation will provide you with the tools and strategies you need to achieve financial success. So, if you are ready to build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and take control of your financial future, then this video is for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and investing. Okay, continue. Here I will show you several book titles that I highly recommend and that are the most popular among investors and business people. You must read this book. Number 1. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book is considered a classic in the world of investing. It focused on the concept of value investing, where investors focus on buying stocks that are undervalued by the market. Graham's teachings have influenced many of the world's most successful investors, including Warren Buffett. Number 2. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book is a personal finance classic that emphasizes the importance of financial literacy and building assets instead of relying on a job for income. The book also introduces the concept of the cash flow quadrant, which divides income-earning activities into 4 categories: employers, self-employed individuals, business owners, and investors. Number 3. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas G. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book is based on extensive research into the habits and behaviors of millionaires in America. It challenges many of the assumptions people make about what it takes to become a millionaire and offers practical advice for building wealth over time. Number 4. The 4-Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss. This book is more focused on lifestyle design than personal finance, but it has become popular among those seeking financial freedom. Ferriss offers strategies for automating and outsourcing work so that readers can focus on their passion and live on their own terms. Number 5. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joy Dominguez. This book is a personal finance classic that offers a 9-step program for transforming your relationship with money and achieving financial independence. It emphasizes the importance of tracking your expenses and understanding the true cost of your life energy, the time and effort you put into earning money. The book offers practical advice for saving, investing, and reducing expenses so that readers can achieve their financial goals. In conclusion, there are several popular financial books that have influenced the way people approach personal finance, investing, and wealth creation. From classic works like The Intelligent Investor to modern favorites like The 4-Hour Work Week, this book offers practical advice, insight, and strategies for achieving financial success. Thank you for taking the time to learn about some of the most popular financial books in the world. I hope that this conversation has inspired you to read some of these books and start taking control of your finance. Remember, financial education is a lifelong process, and these books are just the beginning. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep working towards your financial goals. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us. We are happy to help. Okay, maybe that's enough video information from me. I hope this information helped you to develop yourself. See you in the next video, which I will upload on this channel. So follow this channel and watch the next video. See you soon.